Hi, I must say this training has been an eye opener and very transformative. The training was professionally organized, very informative, and packed with lots of practical insights that I can immediately apply. I want to also say that the sessions were quite interesting, especially the topic on strategic marketing and strategic messaging. I feel well equipped and inspired to step into the drone industry at this perfect time. I will recommend this um, particular training to anyone who wants to build a striving drone business at this perfect time. I recommend it to anyone who really wants to get into it because the training is top notch. So please, if you see this advert, just get into it, and this will be the best value for your money, and it is something that will completely transform your life. Thank you and stay blessed.